Okay, hello everyone. My name is Long, and today I will be talking about the interaction with database via a user interface. First, I will talk about what web package and technologies tools I use. So, for the hosting, I use a program called XAMPP to localhost my website and the interface. So I use the first two service to start, and and after that I go into the localhost PHP my admin and create a new schema, and that is named Wellspring, and I paste all of my SQL of my SQL code from the previous mini project, and I will be focusing on the student table, which has three parts. The student ID is the primary key, and the varchar, the student name also varchar, and student date of birth is the date type, and the language I use to connect between the SQL and display the website is HTML and PHP. So for the HTML, this code is the basic form. It display the thing that the user can type, and this PHP code is the backend, which takes everything and it will paste it back to the local host, to the student table. And if all of my code is pasted in the PDF file. So the second part is I will show the state of the database table before attempt insert the record. So this is very blank with nothing and waiting for the user input. So here's an attempt. I input it but missing some values, and if I click insert, it will go to the page that said all fields are required to be filled. So you must fill every section in order for it to save into the database. Okay, let me attempt to fill everything. So I will fill my student ID and insert. New record has been added, so it has been successfully pasted into the database. And here's the user input. Another thing is that if the database already have this input, and if I click insert, then it will be some error because the primary key cannot be null. So if there's another student with the same name and student date of birth with me, they need to have a different student ID. So if here it insert, and then and here, and yeah, that is, I think that's mostly everything of the functionality of my interface. And yeah, thank you for listening.